All right, Josh Blackman, we're here in front of the Supreme Court on this misty morning. Are you ready for your 90-second recess?
Let's go.
What is the most memorable moment of the term so far?
When Justice Scalia wasn't there, when the 8 justices emerged and there was an empty chair, that was a very poignant and a touching moment.
Well, do you think that the Supreme Court is functioning okay with just 8 members?
For the most part, they are. There are very few 5-4 cases where Scalia was actually in the majority, and for the rest of the cases, it doesn't really matter.
Do you think that we'll see another justice before the end of the term?
No.
When do you think we'll see one?
April, May of 2017. And might I add, the Justice will hold a special summer session in that case.
All right. Do you think that cases decided 4-4 are a big deal?
For the most part, no. Most of the time it says, okay, we'll get back to it later. So in a few cases, like the contraceptive case, it does make a big difference.
So you recently became a member of the Supreme Court Bar. What's the biggest perk of membership?
You get to cut the line.
Oh, and how early do you have to get here?
If you get here around 7 o'clock, you're good for a seat.
7. What about if you're a member of the public?
24 hours is a good guess.
So who do you think is the best oral advocate before the court this term?
Paul Clement.
And what's your favorite part of this magnificent building?
I love the steps because it really elevates the majesty of the law.
Now, have you used the Supreme Court's frozen yogurt machine?
I don't like froyo, but Justice Kagan invented it, and I think that's one of her best innovations at the court.
You don't like it even though there's sprinkles?
No. I like to sprinkle my law, not my yogurt.
Now, you have participated as an amicus a lot. What's your favorite case that you've worked on?
King v. Burwell, the tax subsidies case from last year. That was, I think, one of the most significant Obamacare cases we've had yet.
And as an amicus, do you coordinate with the parties?
Only indirectly. For the most part, we mind our own business and they mind their own business.
All right, that is 90 seconds. So we're all done, but we are going to end these recess Q&As with a little bit of a trivia question.
Ooh,
are you game?
I am game.
Now, the average time from confirmation to nomination of a Supreme Court justice is 67 days, but the longest was 125. Can you name that justice?
Brandeis. And in fact, Jeff Rosen's book, which came out this week, discusses the confirmation of Justice Louis Brandeis.
Well, you really know your Supreme Court stuff.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. And you can look for more recess Q&As on BNA.com.